Alam mo ba, sobrang hahaba ng buhay ng mga Japanese? At libo-libo sa kanila umaabot ng 100 years old. So ano nga ba yung mga scientific reason behind their long life? Number 1 is yung kanilang diet. It's high on omega-3. According to studies, traditional Japanese meals are loaded with fish, kaya rich in omega-3 for healthy guts and stronger immune system. Next is yung active lifestyle. Incidental exercise every day. Japan is actually a walking society. Dahil sa paglalakad nila everyday, they have lower risk of heart disease. Next is yung preventive healthcare. Yung Japanese health system dito, nakafocus sa preventive care. Kaya bago pa lumala yung sakit mo, nafi-fix na nila ito. Next is yung stress management. Kahit yung work culture nila ay sobrang intense, pero nababalance nila dahil sa kanilang ancient practices like Shinrin-yoku or forest bathing. According sa studies, ang exposure sa nature nakakababa ng stress hormones. And lastly, strong social bond. Ito yung tinatawag nilang ikigai and community ties. Research proves na kapag meron kang sense of purpose, ikigai at strong social connections, it can add years to your life. Alam nyo, science doesn't lie. Healthy diet, active lifestyle, low stress, at strong community ties are the secret formula to a long life. This is Ayumi J. Let's explore the science of longevity, Japanese style.